Namaste students. Once again I welcome you all to this new video. Today we'll be discussing about a new topic from the chapter data handling. So today's topic is probability. One of the very important topic. This is our probability. So what is called exactly probability? Probability means the chances that a thing will happen, that something will happen, what happened, what is the chances for that. This is called our probability. Suppose if I take one example, if I toss a coin, so what is the probability that head will come? So means what is the chances that head only will occur? This is only our probability. So to find the probability, we have one formula. This is probability is equal to, this is number of favorable outcomes. This is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So by using this formula, you have to find the probability of anything that any things is happening. Then the probability you have to find by using this only. Suppose if I toss that thing only, coin is there. If I toss it, that example only I am taking. Then what may have? You may have head or you may have tail. So these two things only you may have. This is one is head, another one is tail. So if I have to find the probability that only head will occur, then my probability of head will be in favor of head. How many numbers is there? Means how many head is there? So this is all about our number of favorable outcomes. In favor of head, how many numbers is there? So in favor of head, only one head is there. So this is 1. Total number of outcomes, how many are there? 1 and 2. So this is 2. That is the way how we can find the probability. Suppose I am taking one more example. If I toss a now not coin, let's take another one example. Suppose if I throw a dice now. In a dice, we used to have 6 faces like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After throwing the dice, if I ask you what is the probability that number 5 will come, then to find the probability of number 5, you have to see in favor of 5 how many numbers are there. So this will be your number of favorable outcomes. So in favor of 5, how many numbers are there? Only one number, 1 5 is there. So this will be equal to 1. Then total number of outcomes means how many numbers are there in the dice. 1, 2, 3 like this, 6. So this is 1 by 6. This is the way how we can find the probability. This is very simple. Now exercise 3.4 is there. Let's see what is given in the exercise 3.4. Then you will understand it. In exercise 3.4, the first question is, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Then question number 2 is, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of the. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? This is the question number 2. We will start from number 2. This is directly related to a probability. So in a question number 2, 6 marbles are there, and in that 6 marble, 1 to 6 marking is also there. Means like this, 6 marbles are there. Here marking is also there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This type of 6 marbles are there. Then it is said that what is the probability of drawing a marble of number 2? if you throw a marble from that box, what is the probability that 2 will come? This is similar to the previous example only. That if you throw the marbles, then what is the probability that 2 will come? What is the chances that you will get 2? Means in favor of 2, how many numbers is there? That is only the probability. So probability of number 2. In favor of 2, how many number is there? Only one marble is there in favor of 2. So this is 1. Total marbles how many? 6. So the answer is 1 by 6. Very easy. Similarly, what is the probability of throwing a marble with number 5? Same thing. In favor of 5, how many numbers is there? Only one 5 is there. So probability of 5 is also will be equal to 1 by 6. So this is all about your question number 2. Now let's see what is the question number 3. Now, your question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Now, two teams are going to play a game. So, before the game, you have to toss the coin. So, after flipping the coin, what is the probability that your team will win? So, it means your team will start. So, when you flip a coin, in that coin, either you may have head or you may have tail. So what is the probability that your team will start? Means, suppose if I take, while flipping the coin, if I call head, then my probability will be if I say head, while flipping the coin, then head is only 1. So this is 1 out of how many? 2 sides are there. So this is 2. Similarly, if I call tail, while flipping the coin, if I say tail, then also my probability will be 1 by 2. Means the probability that my team will start is 1 by 2. Because in both the cases, one side is there. If I say head, then also 1 by 2. If I say tail, then also 1 by 2 only. So this is all about your question number 2. Now let's see what is the question number 1. So in question number 3, it is given. So you have to find, you have to write which things will come here. One is certain to happen, then one is impossible, and next one is can happen but not certain. So in this 4-5 questions, which one will be there, you have to find out. Now you see, first question is, you were older than yesterday. This is certain to happen, impossible, or can happen but not certain. Certain to happen means this is fixed that it will occur only. There is no other way. This will fix. Impossible means impossible, it will never happen. Can happen, certain. Next one is what? Can happen but not certain means it may happen but this is not fixed. The first one is certain to happen means this is fixed, it will happen only. Impossible means impossible. Can happen but not certain means this may happen but this is not fixed. So this may you can understand. So first one is you are older than yesterday. Yes, definitely yesterday. Then yesterday, today I am older. So this is definitely fixed. So you are older than yesterday. So today I am older than yesterday. This is fixed. It is happening. So in this case you have to write certain to happen because this is true. Next one is a tossed coin will land heads up. If you toss a coin, it is said that it will land heads up, means you will get head only. If you toss a coin, you will get head only. This is the questions. It may happen, but this is not fixed. It may happen because tail is also there, you may get tail also. It is not fixed that every time you will get head only. That is why in this case the answer will be can happen but not certain. Means this is not fixed but it may happen also. So for question number 2, a toss coin will land heads up. This is can happen but not certain. Now next one is a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Means when you throw a die, when you toss a die, in a dice we used to have 6 faces, only 6 faces, and it is said that a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. This is impossible because in a dice we have only 6 faces. So 8 on top, this is not possible. So in this case the answer will be impossible. Now the fourth one is the next traffic light seen will be green. Means in the traffic line, after the next one you are going to get green. It is said like this. It is also not fixed because you may get the red also, because many traffic lights are there, green is there, red is there, so you may get the red also. This is not fixed, but it may happen also because green is also there, so you may get green also, but this is not fixed. So in this case the answer will be can happen but not certain. The last one is tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Similar thing, tomorrow will be a cloudy day or rainy day. Anything can happen. You cannot say that tomorrow will be cloudy day only, but it may be cloudy day also, because cloudy day also can happen. That is why it is can happen but not certain, because this is not a fixed thing that tomorrow will be cloudy day only. This is not fixed thing, nobody can say. That is why it can happen but not certain. So this much only for today. Hope you have understood the probability. Very important topic. You have to understand it. So hope you have understood it. For any problem, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you.